Okay, boys and girls, this is your Zaner-Bloser handwriting book. You will use this book to help you practice your manuscript, which is your print writing, and eventually, towards the second half of the school year, second graders get to start learning cursive, and it's so much fun. So I just want to take you on a little tour of your handwriting book. You can write your name at the top. Over here, this little guy here is telling you he's your little digital tutor guy. And when you see this symbol, you'll have a little QR code, which I'll show you. And you can watch a video whenever you see that mark. Your table of contents, just like any book with a table of contents, tells you the title of what you are going to learn and which page you would go to. So in the beginning, when you first start exploring your book, Zany, for Zaner-Bloser, Zaner-Bloser is the company that has made this book and these lessons, is going to be your digital tutor. And you'll notice whenever you see this, if you use the QR code with your phone or your device and you hold it up to your device, you can get taken to a tutorial. So I'm just going to give you an example. So here it says digital tutorial. If I take my phone and then it comes up open to this Safari, and then you can see now, see if I can get it to focus a little bit. If I press play, there's a video.
Oh, hello. Are you going to write today? These lines are just about ready for you.
The guidelines help you write. The red line is the baseline. All letters stand on the baseline. This is the headline. Tall letters touch the headline. The dashed line is the midline. Short letters come up to the midline.
Okay, so I'm going to stop this video here, but I just wanted to show you that you have this feature in your book. So this kind of tells you all about it. Whenever you see the stop and check, they're telling you to check which letter form that you wrote was best. Keys to legibility. Legible means that you can read it. So you want to make sure that the shape of your letter, the size, the spacing, and the slant are all correct. You'll be learning about that. In the beginning, you have a pre-test, and we will explain that in another video. But in here, this is where you will do some writing to see how your writing is right now. Then it goes over some manuscript writing positions, okay? How you should sit when you're writing. Did you know that you should turn your paper in a different direction if you write with your left hand? And if you write with your right hand, you're going to turn it in another direction. And you can read and you can watch the videos. You see the link here. So if you're someone who writes with your left hand, go ahead and in your book, you can click on scan those QR codes and you can watch the video for left hand. If you are someone who uses your right hand, you can do the same thing. These pages go over the basic strokes, vertical lines, horizontal lines. You'll see the gray. The gray part is where you trace. These are those keys to legibility, meaning that you can read the word, and so they give you more information about that. And then you would get started with your lesson. So I just wanted to show you the overview of the book, okay? And some of the features that you have. And remember, you can scan those QR codes in order to take you to little video sessions.